Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Moto Women's Metabolism Support. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a supplement that will help you with your metabolism and will essentially help you lose weight. So as you can see right here, this is what they look like here on Amazon. So they are actually rated 4.1 out of 5 stars with 633 ratings. So let's head on down here to see some reviews. And as you can see, there are a lot of 5 stars reviews right here. So these give you a lot of energy also. Let's go. This stuff works. And this person said has no returns. And this person said that it works for her, not for me. Good stuff, helpful. So it's a bit of a hit or miss for different people. However, I would advise you should just try this out if you're really interested. I would advise you to just buy one bottle first. Do not buy a lot, since you should try it out beforehand to see if it works for you. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.